Good morning, families, and welcome to our first day of virtual VBS. I just want to make sure everybody knows how to get into the family portal. So I have my email pulled up. I even joined the group myself. So right here it says, virtual VBS, thank you for registering for Praises Bolt VBS. Depending on when you registered, you can go up to your email account, however you can search your email, but look for the one that says, thank you for registering for Praises Bolt VBS. When I click on that, it shows right here in the first little section the family portal link. So to access our VBS videos, we're going to click right here on the family portal link. But once you get there, you're going to need the password. So if you haven't already memorized it, you can copy and paste it. Let's Bolt. I'm going to click right here on Go Curriculum, and it's going to take me to the family portal. So it'll say guest area, please enter the password. When I enter the password, Let's Bolt, and I hit go, it takes me right into the family portal. So here we are at the landing page for the Bolt family portal. It says start by reading the parent and leader guide below. If you picked up or got delivered a VBS supply pack, this would be in there, but you can also click view and print. Okay, you can access this guide that will tell you about games, tell you about daily activities, but as I mentioned, that was also included in the printables that we sent out. So here I am, day one. That's today. The main portion is the video. For my family, I clicked right here where it said open video in YouTube, and I'm going to show you why. So when you open it in YouTube, there's this little button right here that says play on TV. If you have a smart TV and you can screencast, you can click that button and you can play the video right there on your TV. So that's an option. If you don't have that, totally fine. On whatever device you have, you can either play the video through YouTube, or they've embedded it, which means you can play it right here. You can make it full screen, and you can watch today's video, day one video, that way. If you happen to need the game instructions, you can view and print. During the video, it shows us how to make the origami craft, but you can also view the instructions if you're like me and you need to see them more than once. You can click on the origami instructions, and then every day there will be a coloring page. So today, this is the coloring page, and it's the parable where Jesus talked about the seeds that fell on the good soil or the path or among the thorns. So that's the coloring page. Hopefully that is helpful to you. I'm going to go through the steps super fast one more time. Okay, so from my email, I looked for the email that said thank you for registering for Praises Bolt VBS. I clicked on the family portal and entered the password Let's Bolt. Once I was in, I could view the game instructions, coloring page, origami directions, and watch the day one video. Hey, don't forget to send me your videos or pictures of your kids doing the daily activities so that I can send some McDonald's and Little Caesars gift cards out to them. Have a great day.